All our vacuum chambers are packed in a wooden crate. It is very important that upon arrival of the box, label is checked for any dents or damage. If there is any damage, please contact us within 72 hours to analyze the situation with our team of experts. A photo of the label will be required to disregard any transportation-related problem. We also recommend that the box is opened and devices tested to check if it is operating properly. Open lid with a screwdriver and carefully unfold the hooks one at a time. This hook type lock is practical and efficient for customs control, as it will avoid the incorrect closing of the package after an inspection. After removing the safety hooks and the wooden lid, you will notice that our CDV vacuum chamber is carefully wrapped in plastic to prevent the risk of scratches or ruptures. Once the contents from the box have been removed and unwrapped, now it is time to take out the CDV. We recommend using a flat surface that can hold at least 50 kilograms. Place CDV on its side and install support feet one at a time. The power cable is compatible with American and European cables, 110 or 220 volts and 50 or 60 hertz. When everything is connected and functional, we recommend that 10 centimeter space is kept on each side of the device for normal operation and enough space for lid opening. It is also important to consider the height of the flat surface so operator can easily access the inside of the vacuum chamber. If you have any questions regarding this procedure or our vacuum chambers, we invite you to leave a comment at the end of this video.